Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your favorite destination for all things fast, rugged, and thrilling on four wheels. Oncoming car today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in truck history, the legendary Ford F150 XLT 4x4 2026 edition. Get ready, because this beast is not just built tough, it's smarter, stronger, and more capable than ever before. Let's talk design first. At first glance, the 2026 F150 XLT stands tall with its bold, commanding presence. Ford has refreshed the front fascia with a more aggressive grille, updated LED headlamps, and aerodynamic body lines that don't just look good, they also boost performance. The XLT trim balances luxury and practicality, with chrome bumpers, 18-inch alloy wheels, and rugged side steps that mean business. Whether you're heading to a construction site or planning a weekend off-road escape, this truck's look matches the lifestyle. Under the hood, the F150 XLT 4x4 offers multiple engine options, but the star of the show is the 3.5L EcoBoost V6, producing an impressive 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough muscle to tow, haul, or simply dominate the road with authority. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced 4x4 drivetrain, the 2026 F150 offers smooth shifts, serious traction, and surprisingly good fuel economy for a full-size pickup. Inside, it's a whole different level. The 2026 XLT's cabin has been redesigned to be both tough and tech-savvy. You're greeted with premium cloth seating, soft touch materials, and a brand new 12-inch touchscreen running Ford's Sync 5 infotainment system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a customizable digital cluster make the tech in this truck feel cutting-edge. Plus, with features like a fold-flat work surface and lockable under-seat storage, the interior is built for work and comfort. But let's not forget what makes this F150 truly shine, its off-road capability. Thanks to selectable drive modes including mud ruts, rock crawl, and snow, the 2026 F150 4x4 can adapt to nearly any terrain. The suspension is rugged yet refined, absorbing bumps with ease, while the locking rear differential and hill descent control give you confidence on steep climbs and tricky descents. Whether you're hitting mountain trails or powering through winter storms, this truck is ready. Safety-wise, Ford doesn't compromise. The new F150 XLT includes Ford Company Pilot 360 2.0, which brings adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even intersection assist to keep you and your passengers safe. It's like having a second pair of eyes on the road, always alert. For those of you concerned about utility, the 2026 F150 XLT continues to impress. With best-in-class towing of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 3,000 pounds, this truck is still the king of the worksite. Ford has also added smart trailer tow features, a Pro Power onboard generator system, and a tailgate that doubles as a workbench, because they know trucks need to be more than just transportation. So, is the 2026 Ford F150 XLT 4x4 worth it? Absolutely. It's the perfect blend of tradition and innovation, a truck built for today's challenges with tomorrow's technology. From its rugged looks to its powerful performance in next-gen tech, this F150 proves why it continues to be America's favorite pickup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update from Car Trend. Got thoughts or questions about the new F150? Drop them in the comments below, and let's talk trucks. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your rides smooth. Peace out, Scissor.